All right, here we go with the third video for 5.1. This is finding a unit rate from page 161. But first, let's go over your answer on number 5 at the bottom of page 160. Hopefully you tried this on your own and you wrote down your answer. So it's a photocopy machine can print 405 copies in 9 minutes. What is the rate at which the machine prints copies? So I have to get it down to 1, something to 1. And I'm starting with 405 copies over 9 minutes. What I can do then is divide both of those by 9, because 9 divided by 9 is going to be 1. And so in 1 minute, if you do the math on this, you're going to end up with 45 copies in 1 minute. So the answer is 45 copies per minute. 45 copies per minute. Just like miles per hour, right? All right, moving on to the top of page 161. We're going to be finding a unit rate. And it says, the problem here says, a school buys 2.75 acres of land for a new athletic field. What is the cost per acre if the school pays $275,000 for the land? So what we're doing is we're starting off with $275,000. This is our rate for 2.75 acres. So this is our money and this is our acres. What I'm then going to have to do is, first of all, get rid of that decimal point down here. So I'm going to move that decimal point over 2 spots. And that means that the decimal point here has got to move over 2 spots. I'm multiplying both numbers by 100. So I'm actually doing 275, well, what is this? 27,500,000 divided by 275. And so what I can do is solve that off to the side. 275,000,000 divided by 275, and that is pretty easy. It goes in one time right here with all these zeros. Did I do it right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's $100,000 per acre. $100,000 per acre. All right, try numbers 6 and 7 before you watch the next video.